How to fix Snapchat's camera on Samsung devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually fix the camera for Snapchat on your Samsung Galaxy device. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. So as you can see, I'm currently on my Galaxy S20 Plus over here, and let's say that you're having some kind of Snapchat camera issues. Well, the process to fix it is also very simple. All you have to do is just go ahead and launch the settings application. Once you launch the settings application, here you want to look for the option called apps. So just go ahead and select apps. Once you select apps on the list of these applications, just search for Snapchat. If you don't find Snapchat, you can also simply use the search box at the top. So as you can see, the Snapchat app, just select it. Once you select Snapchat over here, go to the option called storage, and as soon as you go to storage, first of all clear the cache files, which means all of the temporary junk files that your Snapchat app doesn't really need. And after that, you can come back to the top part where it says permissions. Once you go to permissions, make sure that you've set it to camera and make sure that you have allowed the camera permissions, as you can see, because when you have not allowed the camera permissions for Snapchat will not be able to use the camera of your device. So if I just go ahead and then open up Snapchat, let's say, and as you can currently see that our camera is working just fine. Even if you go ahead and then take a snap or a video over here, you can see that it's working perfectly just fine. And this is simply how you can fix Snapchat's camera on a Samsung. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.